Dear student, today we have discussed with the fine rust of crucifer. This lecture is for BSc second year's plant protection student. So white rust of the crucifer, which is occurs in worldwide in the distribution and causes the disease of the crucifery family members by the causal organism Albugo candida. So firstly we have seen what is the symptoms of the white rust. The white rust, the white fistule which is observed on the lower leaf surface having the 1 to 2 millimeter in diameter, and these fistules, it can be spread and it forms irregular patches on the lower sides of the leaves, and in case of the severe infection, the lower epidermis of the leaf can be ruptured and the hypertrophic region which is the occur. In case of the severe infection, the symptoms which is occurs on the young shoot as well as the stem, and hypertrophy means it is the small outgrowth outside the epidermis as well as outside the young shoot as well as outside on a stem. These are the white fistules, and these white fistule joins to form a irregular patches. Then what is the disease cycle of these Albugo candida? The primary inoculum, it is nothing but a oospores. After the mycelium, it can be perinating and it forms a zoospores, which is the resting spores present in a soil. After getting the favorable condition, or it can be moist condition, these oospores can be germinate and it gives a zoospores. Zoospores have the flagellated zoospores with the help of the water or the small stream of the water, which can be swim and translocate from the one place to the another place, and once it can be get, or it can be having a substrate or the solid substrate, either it is the host as well as the stem as well as the soil or the solid substrate, it can be germinate forming a germ tube, and the germ tube can be enters in a host cell which is nothing but a haustoria. The haustoria or the mycelium of this Albugo candida, it is always intercellular. What is meant by the intercellular? It between a two adjacent cell or the intercellular spaces. This mycelium, it is the haustoria. These are regarding with the disease cycle of the Albugo candida. Then these are the section passes through the infection. These are nothing but a ruptured epidermis with the fungus or the mycelium, and it forms a sporangiophores, or which is simply known as the conidiophore. And on that conidiophore, we have getting the chain of the conidia. The chain of the conidia, which is the always basipetal in the succession or the basipetal in the manner, means the younger at the base and older at the apex. But the younger, it is the smaller in the size as well as the older, which is the large in size, but it is the older at the apex. So it looks like the inverted pyramids, and this conidia can be disseminated by the wind as well as by the disseminated by this water. These are the section shows the tears passing through the infected plant part or the infected host. Then the disease cycle or the diagrammatic disease cycle, these are nothing but a host, and the host, it can be forms under the condition which is the unfavorable. It gives a oospore which can be, or the mycelium can be perinating to form a oospore, which is the dormant in a soil. After getting the favorable condition, these oospores can be germinated, gives rise to the zoospores, and these biflagellate zoospore can be swim with the help of the small stream of the water, forming a germ tube. It against the create the infection to the host. These are the when the condition which is the unfavorable. When the condition which is the favorable, the host or the mycelium directly forms a conidiophore. And on that conidiophore, you have studied the chain of the conidia, which is the basipetal in this succession. This conidia directly germinated gives rise to the zoospore, and this zoospore germinated gives rise to the mycelium. These are under the favorable condition. So we have also seen the two types. When the condition which is the favorable, it can be form a conidia or the conidiophore, and when the condition which is the unfavorable, it can be form say oospores. After oospore, you have get the zoospore, and these zoospores can be germinated with the help of the water. It can be again produce a mycelium. This is nothing but a diagrammatic representation of the disease cycles of the Albugo candida. This Albugo candida having the 25% causes the loss of the 25% to these crucifer or these vegetables. And last one point, which is nothing but a control measure, how you have control these Albugo candida or the high trust of the crucifer. The first one control measure, it is nothing but a clean cultivation. Always you have to keep your field which is in clean condition, and weed management, which is also much important to control this Albugo candida or the white rust of the crucifer. Second one important control measure, which is nothing but a crop rotation. You cannot be cultivate the same crop in a year wise, same season or the next season. You can rotate the crop. For example, you have firstly you have grown a sugar cane, second year you have grown another crop, third year you have grown another crop. This can be minimize the incidence of the Albugo candida. Then you have also used the 0.8% of the Bordeaux mixture as well as 0.2% diethane 45 to reduce the inoculum, as well as you have used the disease resistant variety to minimize the such a type of the disease which is known as the white rust of the crucifer caused by the Albugo candida. These are the regarding with the disease which causes the 25% loss of the vegetables belongs to the family Cruciferae, which is nothing but a white rust of the crucifer caused by the Albugo candida. Okay, thank you.